The JetFlow Pressure Washer is marketed as a powerful cleaning tool that can supposedly turn an ordinary hose into a high-pressure washer. But the real question is it actually effective or just another overhyped internet product? Now, to be fair, portable hose attachments and lightweight pressure cleaners can be useful for simple outdoor cleaning tasks. What it does well: lightweight and easy to use. Products like JetFlow are portable, simple to connect, and easier to handle than full-size pressure washers. More focused spray than a normal hose. The nozzle can create a narrower stream that feels stronger than a regular garden hose. Fine for light cleaning jobs. For rinsing cars, outdoor furniture, or light dirt, it may perform adequately. Where it falls short: not a real pressure washer. This is the biggest issue. Multiple reviews point out that JetFlow-style products are basically upgraded hose nozzles, not true power pressure washers. Pressure claims are exaggerated. Without an actual motor or pump, the product cannot magically create industrial-level water pressure from a normal household hose. Cheap build quality. Many buyers describe similar products as flimsy, lightweight, and cheaply made. Some report leaking connections or parts failing quickly. So, is JetFlow just another overhyped product? JetFlow appears to be another heavily marketed hose nozzle product that exaggerates what it can actually do. It may work for simple outdoor cleaning, but it is not comparable to a real powered pressure washer. Final verdict: JetFlow equals basic cleaning gadget, overhyped marketing. If you expect a convenient hose attachment for light cleaning, it may be okay, but if you expect powerful pressure washer performance from the ads, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.